Right then, another Amarok video, so we keep finding things to do on this. So the one thing we're holding back on, because we had to send this off for the upplating and everything, but it turns out because I've put the bigger tyres on, we can't do that anyway, so I'm going to have to use a different Amarok to sort that out, is the big brakes. So these are the 6 pots, 390mm Brembo pads. So these, we've put quite a few of these on customer trucks and they've been pretty good. So we're absolutely up to us necking it, so I'm probably going to end up doing these. I might get somebody to help me a little bit, but try and get these whacked on, get the brakes bled up, and then we'll take it round to Alan and he's going to paint the rears to match these, because they look a bit scabby, and we might throw some stickers on there as well. So let's get into it. If you want to know how much these are, look in the description, they'll be there. And if you want to look at what else we've done to this, look at the spec list. Everything should be on there. And if there's something on there that is missing, let us know, because we sometimes forget. So, got the brakes sorted. As with everything I ever do, bit of a pain, but no, it all fitted pretty easily. These massive wheels are not making it easy to do because they weigh an absolute ton. Bleeding them can be a bit of a pig as well. Not sure I did it the right way around or how I did it, but bleeding the ABS, actuating the ABS definitely helps. And the pedal is still a little bit longer, not as firm as it was before, but I think that's just because 6 pots, new, whatever. But I'll bed them in a bit more. I've done a bit already and they seem fine. Obviously it was never a big braking car anyway, because there's always something back and what have you. But anyway, really happy with them. Look sweet. The rears are painted now as well. I think they stand out pretty good, like the red. And then we've also had some sort of subtle sign writing on, because at the minute there's absolutely nothing saying it's a dark side car anyway. So hopefully it'll turn a few more heads. So we've just been talking about it. We've probably, over the winter when we're not using it as much, We might take the roll bars with springs and get them powder coated red, and then a little bit of tartan up of the rear. Got a couple of ideas what I want to do with the rear bumper, because this gloss doesn't fit in with what we're doing anymore, and I want to change the tow bar as well because I don't like how that is and how it works, and got a few other ideas anyway. So hopefully this is going to be the last thing we do for this for a while. Still wanting to do the 7-ton upplating, and yeah, we'll see how we're going in the next one.